It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss, and Meadowbrook Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Meadowbrook. Bible knowledge. How many brothers did King David have?
6. 6.
Incorrect. 7. Bible knowledge. St. Richard's. How many daughters did Jacob have?
1.
Correct. Meadowbrook. International affairs. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Richard Clark.
Incorrect. Terence Drew, Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis. International affairs. St. Richard's. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Philip Pear.
Incorrect. Philip Davis, Prime Minister of the Bahamas. Science. Meadowbrook. Which common household chemical has the scientific name acetic acid?
Bleach.
Incorrect. Vinegar. Science. St. Richard's. On what feature of an object does friction depend?
Motion.
Incorrect. The type of surface the object has or the texture of the object. Meadowbrook. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and specifically identify the cartoon character.
Hulk.
Incorrect. Cyborg 005 or Geronimo Jr. Television. A visual question. St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Cyborg 006.
Incorrect. Cyborg 009 or Joe Shimamura. English language. Meadowbrook. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of polite.
Impolite.
Correct. St. Richard's. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of relevant.
Irrelevant.
Correct. Meadowbrook. Sports. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Maxwell Jakes.
Incorrect. Alex Powell, Jamaican cart driver. Sports. A visual question. St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Asafa Powell.
Incorrect. Fraser McConnell, Jamaican race car driver. General knowledge. Meadowbrook. What is the name given to a place where scientific experiments are carried out?
Laboratory.
Correct. St. Richard's. General knowledge. What is the name given to a place at an airport where airplanes are housed?
Hangar.
Correct. Meadowbrook. Social studies. The Jamaican national hero Nanny was said to have fought in the First Maroon War in the 18th century against this set of Europeans.
British.
Correct. Social studies. St. Richard's. A monument to which Jamaican national hero is located in Montego Bay?
Sam Sharp.
Correct. Meadowbrook. Music. Complete the name of this famous American singer. Nat King.
James.
Incorrect. Nat King Cole. Music. St. Richard's. Complete the name of this famous American singer. Aretha.
Franklin.
Correct. Mathematics. Meadowbrook. What is 8,219 rounded to the nearest hundred?
8,200.
Correct. St. Richard's. Mathematics. What is 11,594 rounded to the nearest thousand?
12,000.
Correct. Meadowbrook. Jamaican affairs. Which Jamaican trade union uses the abbreviation JTA?
Jamaica Teachers Association.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. St. Richard's. Which Jamaican trade union uses the abbreviation BITU?
Bustamante Industrial Trade Union.
That is correct. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 5 and St. Richard's Primary on 7. Now, before we head to the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Doing well in school isn't just about getting good grades and outperforming your classmates. It's about leading a balanced life that's focused on contributing to others. Remember to care and share. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Now please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.